Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be talking about cloud-based VDRs for cross-functional collaboration. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be talking about cloud-based VDRs or virtual data rooms for cross-functional collaboration. So let's start. Intro. Cross-functional collaboration. This is process of working with people from different departments or team to achieve a common goal. It is becoming increasingly important to businesses become more complex and globalized. Cloud-based VDRs are secure online repositories that can be used to store and share sensitive documents with potential investors, clients, and other stockholders. Number of advantage over traditional on-premises VDRs, including cost saving. Cloud-based VDRs are typically more cost-effective than on-premises VDRs because organizations do not need to invest in the maintain their own hardware and software. Scalability. Cloud-based VDRs are scalable, meaning that they can be easily escalated up to down to meet the needs of the organization. This is important for organizations that need to be able to collaborate with people from different departments and teams. Security. Cloud-based VDRs use the latest security technologies to protect sensitive data from unauthorized access and theft. This is important for protecting confidential information such as trade secret and business plans. Compliance. Cloud-based VDRs can help organizations to comply with industry regulations such as the General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR). Benefits of using cloud-based VDRs for cross-functional collaboration. There are a number of benefits to using cloud-based VDRs for cross-functional collaboration, including improved communication and collaboration. Cloud-based VDRs can help to improve communication and collaboration between people from different departments and teams. For example, cloud-based VDR can be used to share documents, comments, and feedback in the central location. Increased efficiency. Cloud-based VDRs can help to increase the efficiency of cross-functional teams. For example, cloud-based VDRs can be used to manage the review and approval of documents, which can help to reduce the time it takes to complete cross-functional projects. Reduce cost. Cloud-based VDRs can help to reduce the cost associated with cross-functional collaboration. For example, cloud-based VDRs can reduce the need for travel and can reduce the risk of data breaches. That's it. Hope you will understand this topic. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.